Hello, everyone. So today I want to talk about a topic that unnerves many students, and it's something they come across in primary school, and then if they later in life take pre-calculus or calculus, they come across something that is named exactly the same and the principles of it is exactly the same. I don't know if you've guessed by now, but I'm talking about long division. When we come across long division in primary school, we only work with numbers. So, for example, we would have something like this. For example, we've got 5 and we've got the number 7, 9, 5, 0, and we now have to go and divide it long division. So we will first say divide 7 divided by 5. It can go in once. 1 times 5 is 5. Then we subtract, and then we bring down. Then we start the process all over again. 29 divided by 5. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract, bring down. So I'm not going to complete this exact this example, but the same principles apply when we work with long division when it comes to pre-calculus and calculus. So first I'm going to write here in the corner on the side, it's division. So I'm going to call it dad for division, then mom for multiplication, then sister for subtraction, and brother for bringing down. So we've got a little family here, right? We're going to keep that in mind, and we're going to apply that same principles when it comes to long division when we work with calculus or pre-calculus, basically with polynomials. So the difference is when we work in primary school, when we work with long division, it's only numbers, but now when we work with long division in calculus or pre-calculus, we also have variables in it. So I'm going to do an example here today, and we are going to divide the polynomial x cubed plus 4x squared minus 6x plus 1 by x minus 1. Right, so first what we do is we are going to look this one. How many times can we say x goes into this? So we're going to say x cubed divided by x, and that would leave me with x squared. Now we're going to multiply the x squared with everything here. So we're going to say x squared times x minus 1. So for us to do it, we're going to do terms divide terms. So it's going to be x cubed minus x squared. Right. Now we're going to subtract. So all the signs would change. This would be a minus, that would be a plus. X cubed minus x cubed, 0. 4x squared plus x squared would give me 5x squared. 5x squared. So that we've done subtraction now, and now we're bringing the bring down. Next step is bringing down. So we bring down the minus 6x there, and we start the process all over again. So 5x squared divided by x will give me 5x. 5x times x minus 1 would be 5x squared minus 5x, right? Then the signs change because we're subtracting. And once I've changed my signs, it's just adding. So 5x squared minus 5x squared is 0. Minus 6x plus 5x is just x. and I bring this little one down all the way there, plus 1. Right. So now I start all over again. So I say x divided by x, we know is 1. 1 times x is x. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. We subtract. When we subtract, it's basically changing the signs here and adding. So we've got x minus x, which is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our remainder will be 2. So see, it works very much the same as it did when we did long division with just numbers, but now we do it with the variables inside. And when basically the only difference is when we multiply, it is multiplication by both these terms that we have to remember. It's not just the first term, it is both the terms. And that is all there is to long division. In the next video, I will show you how synthetic division works, which is an easier way of dividing polynomials. But we always have to learn to do long division first, and then after that, we will be taught synthetic division. So in the next video, keep an eye out. I'll talk about synthetic division and show you how to do it.